Waqf Amendment Act 2025 के Mayokta Wabagai AC dagi Social Activist Sakir Ahmed na Supreme Court Ngasi Petition ama file Toukhre. Act asi atuba matamda repeal taunabagi tabag thakiba petition adu mahaki ukil Supreme Court ke Senate Advocate Syed Gulam Hassan galoina na file Toukhibane. Petition asigi hearing hayek jatharaba yai haina panute. Hiram asiga mari lainada Sakir Ahmed na thadorokpa video message amada mahakna hai. Act ase minority Muslim sing namthanaba honaba ekni. Act asina India da achoba irang ama laknabagi maram ama oibada natana India asi machet tana thugainaba sile. Adubu hayeng jathagadawriba hearing asida Supreme Court na achumba wail pirakani haibagi achoba thajaba lei haina su mahakna makha tana phongdurkle.
I have filed the writ petition in the Supreme Court to repeal the Waqf Amendment Act 2025 because this act is unconstitutional and it violates the Article 2526, which is right to religious freedom. And another fundamental right violates Article 14, which is right to equality. You know, there are so many mandir boards like Tirupati board, Ram Mandir board, Hindi Endowment board, HCD board. In those boards, no another religion cannot include in the committee member, but why they are trying to include non-Muslims in the Waqf board? Waqf board is totally ancestral Muslim property, so I would like to request to the Supreme Court of India to repeal the act. Otherwise, India could be break down apart, chaos and unrest.